Raghunathan, President Nava Western Region, and Mrs. Savita Theophilus, President Nava Goa Area, and Mrs. Aditi Bish to come up onto the stage to unveil the commissioning plaque of INAS 335.
आज की परेड का नेतृत्व कमांडर अमनदीप सिंह कर रहे हैं। अब हम 50 सैनिक सम्मान गार्ड के गठन को देख सकते हैं। आज की गार्ड की कमान।
I am delighted to be here today at the home base of Indian Naval Aviation, INS Hansa, for the commissioning of INS 335, the Ospreys. The induction of the versatile multi-role MS-60R helicopter on the western seaboard as the first operational squadron marks an important milestone for our Navy. The commissioning today also comes at a moment of great significance. 2025 marks 75 years since the Government of India had approved the formation of a fleet air arm, a decision that gave wings to naval aviation, thereby transforming our Navy into a multi-dimensional potent force and giving us a decisive edge at sea. It is a matter of even greater significance that precisely 64 years ago, on the night of 17th and 18th December 1961, commenced Operation Vijay, wherein ships of the Indian Navy sailed into Goa to liberate it from the Portuguese. There too, naval aviation played its part. The maritime environment around us today, ladies and gentlemen, is more complex and contested than ever before. Shifting geopolitics, fast-moving technologies, and an expanding spectrum of threats, from grey zone activities to supply chain disruptions at sea, are shaping the new reality.
Greetings to all of you. At the very outset, I extend my deep gratitude to the CNS for sparing his valuable time to be with us this afternoon for the commissioning of INAS 335, the MS-60R Ospreys squadron. I also take this opportunity to thank the distinguished veterans present here today for attending this important ceremony and lending the squadron their good wishes and support. Commissioning of the Frontline Helicopter Squadron is indeed a momentous event for all of us as we herald a capability that will add power, punch and versatility to our formidable fleet and make it even more capable to meet the challenges of today and those likely to manifest in the future. As all of you are aware, the first MS-60R squadron was commissioned at Kochi on 6th of March 2024, and over the last 21 months, its helicopters have flown close to 3,200 hours and proven their mettle in real-life operations as well as in exercises conducted by the Navy. Notable among these are Operation Sindoor in May 2025, the Prime Minister's Day at Sea in October 2025, the Tri-Services Exercise Trishul in November 25, the Navy Day operational demonstration at Shankamukam Beach at Trivandrum, and most recently at the beating retreat and title ceremony at the Gateway of India in Mumbai on the 10th of December 2025. In all of these aircraft invariably show themselves to be showstoppers. You will be glad to note that the 4 MS-60R helicopters of INAS 335 will constitute the first operational squadron on the Western Seaboard.